Hey guys, welcome back to this video series, and today is day 12 of investing $200 every single day into the stock market and comparing it with Pokémon TCG products with equivalent value to see which one is the best investment in the long term. Now, I'm going to show you guys where we're at day 12, but remember, I started with an initial of $6,200. Well, really lump sums that I added at the start. So I'm going to show you guys the portfolios. Day 12 means like we should be around 2,400 plus the 6,200, right? So the stock market portfolio is up by like $300 or so, and the Pokemon TCG side of things is actually leveled out. We were up by a bit, but I bought more products. Like I told you guys, I'm going to keep track, equivalent value, right? And those products haven't increased in price very much. I did try to go for some that were shooting up, like the Evolving Skies booster box, and I thought that was going to do well, but it has stayed relatively the same. Now, day 12 in the stock market has been shooting up the last couple of days. Today was another gain, but it was a smaller gain today. It was around $20 for my portfolio. And I was surprised today to see a separation between my two stocks. I have investments in VOO and FTech, and I realized that VOO has 30% of the technology. So 30% of VOO is with tech stocks. So there is some overlap with those two index funds, but VOO actually went up by 0.5% today, and FTech was down the whole day, and then it came back to even. So it was interesting to see that they can move independently, even though there is some cross stocks between them. And the thing that I want to mention today about the stock market, I want you guys to think about, and what I've been thinking about, is FOMO, fear of missing out. I've noticed that in the green days, the days that the stock market is going up, there is more volume. You can see, at least with different trading apps, how much volume there is, how many people actually buying or selling, right? And I see more volume when the stock is going up than when it's going down. And if you look back in my video series, whenever it's going down, that's when I buy. That's when I am seeing it as a sale. And I think the reason for this is psychology of things. People are scared of missing out, right? Fear of missing out. So when they see something shooting up, they're like, hey, this is going up. I need to get on board. But my mentality, and hopefully what I'm trying to get across, is that it's actually better to buy on the way down if you have conviction on what you're buying and you understand what you're buying. For example, if it's a single company and it's dropping a lot, single company stock, that's never a good thing. I would never recommend someone go for specific stocks, try to pick stocks. I would always recommend index funds, mutual funds, collection of stocks, because you want to try to diversify, right? So if the stock is going down and if it's a single company, I don't think you should keep buying. I don't think you should be buying single stocks in the first place. But if it's like an index fund ETF, for example, I'm investing in FTech, the technology companies of the US. And the reason I keep buying when it goes down is because I refuse to believe that the highest earning tech companies in the US are just going to go bankrupt, right? That's what it means when if it just keeps going down and down and down. They're losing a bunch of money. So I don't think so. And for the Pokemon side of things, like I was saying, it's been staying steadily and a couple of gains, but not anything noticeable. But I'll update you guys as we keep going throughout the experiment. And I'm thinking that the next thing that I'll buy will be a higher end alt art from either Sun and Moon or Sword and Shield. I haven't decided on yet, but I'll let you guys know. And those are my updates for today. Remember to press the like button, subscribe, and I'll keep you guys updated later.